What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the show. Dylan here. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $700 in a single day as an Uber driver. So please thumbs up the video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We're almost to 200,000 subscribers. So thank you everyone who has already subscribed. And before we jump in, wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Octopus. They are a company that basically they pay drivers. So if you're an active Uber or Lyft driver or rideshare driver, they will send you a free tablet and you put on the back of your headrest right here, and your passengers will play games for trivia, for prizes. And you as a driver make up to $100 a month. So a lot of drivers make $50 a month, $75 a month, $100 a month by just literally putting that in their car and driving around doing their normal rides. So get the link below. Get your free tablet, start making some extra money, and now let's jump in. Okay, so this comes out of our Facebook group. I gotta do oil change, my car's all mad at me. So this comes out of our Facebook group by a guy named Julian Minaya. He made over $700 in a single day, and I want to share this with you guys because I think this is a great example of a great ride. Now, you check the vehicle type, he's doing Premier SUV. So he's most likely doing a Lyft Black or a Uber Black XL. And you might think, oh, if you have a black Escalade, you're hardly gonna get any rides. But people got money. People drive around in Lamborghinis. People drive around in Porsches. People drive. You see the G wagons. You see people have money. People drive private jets, right? People have money. People have mansions. There are mansions out there. There are people who buy $10 million homes every single day, or $5 million homes every single day around the country. And if you have an Uber Black XL, there will be people who will order those rides because they want to drive in style. They want to drive in class. They're professionals. They're going to work while they're in the car. You think a businessman who makes millions of dollars a year is going to do his business meeting in the back of a Prius, do an Uber pool? Heck no. He's gonna be closing his deal in the back of a nice luxury Escalade. He's gonna make more money on that ride, literally probably working on his laptop. And you can see here, this guy, it was a 3-hour ride. He needed to get wherever he needed to go. I'm sure during those 3 hours, that passenger was able to, close a deal, send emails, have phone. He probably had 5-6 different meetings during that ride. And so if you can position yourself to get a nice luxury car, you can get rides like this. This took this driver 3 hours, and obviously he has to drive back home. So that's 6 hours total for $736. And by the way, the passenger left over a $100 tip. So this guy's making a boatload of money. And if you can do this, you can make some serious cash. So try to cater to the rich people and make over $700 a day. So check out the link below for Octopus. Get your free tablet linked below, and you can start making also an additional $100 per month. Change your mindset, start making more money, manifest it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and we'll talk soon.